How to use one WhatsApp account onto phones. First, on both phones, everyone will open the WhatsApp app. One phone is already logged into the WhatsApp account, and one phone is not logged in yet. Now, to log into the WhatsApp account on this phone. On this other phone, we will do the following. Everyone taps on the three dots. Select Link Devices. Select Link a device. Use a PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. Then everyone will tap OK. Select Continue. Select while using the app. Now I'll switch to this phone and select Agree and Continue. Select Continue. Select Allow. Tap on the three dots. Select Link as a companion device. You will use this phone to scan the code on the other phone to log in. It's that simple. I've successfully logged into one WhatsApp account onto phones.